And welcome back to another vlog. Yo, we are in the side of the road changing a tire. We got defeated, bro. Yo, so just like that, we got the spare on. We out. We out of this bitch. Yo, we back at it. Tires back on. Yo, it was just a defeat. We didn't lost the tire. So we back at it. Smells like burger. Yo, gang, it's the next day. I was not planning at all at going out today on the car, but I got a call from the homie that he wants a banner. So I was making the banner. Let me play a little clip of the banner right here. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna pump some gas on the gas station, and we're gonna meet with the homie. So yeah, I'm gonna meet y'all in the gas station. Here we are, pumping gas. That's usual. A little regular. Got a whole mess in here. But we had it. Yo, I didn't record too much when I gave the banner to the homie, but here we are on our way to the crib. I'm actually gonna show y'all the car, how it's looking. Oh shit. Yeah, bad, fucking bad roads, bro. Let me park here real quick. Yo, we looking good. We outside with the new tail lights. Oh shit, this shit popped out. Yo, car's looking minty, bro. We big outside. We're on our way to the crib right now. Striskin. Yo, we on the bad roads, but car's doing super good. It's so cool that I got everything raced, bro, and these bad roads, I don't even scrape on this shit no more. It's about to rain too, though. Gas station, oh shit. Gas station over here. Yo, we hopping out of the car. We made it home. Bro, this car's, this car never disappoints me, for real. Yo, it's super nice outside, bro, like for real. Today I'm going to the river, low key, bro, like look at that sky. It's looking minty. Yo, so like I said, we're going to the river on the daily. You already know. I gotta clean up this car, bro, like. Yo, took the day off to come for a little swim on the nature. This is nice as hell. Pantaloni. The dogo. Morning. Yo, we're on our way to get some food. We're getting out of the spot. Let me see if I can twist the camera out. So we're gonna get some food now. So you already know. Y'all coming with us. The dogo. Yo, we whipping on the daily today. Yesterday we was mobbing on the car, but today we was in the woods. Yo, I forgot to record what we was eating, but we got some Burger King. Eating a Sunday right now. Okay. Changing the gas reader real quick, cause this one is old as fuck. This is the old one, bro. Like, it was not doing the function at all. Here we got the new one, bro. You can notice, like, you can compare and see the whole difference. Yo, gang, it's the next day. That day of the river, I said I took the day off and I was not gonna do nothing. But you saw me, I recorded me installing the gas reader, the gauge. So today is the next day. We out here. Shout out to the homie JP. He sold me the rear tow arms. So we're gonna be installing these. I know it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but fuck it. So we got them. Yo, so currently I'm running stock ones. I'm gonna slide a little picture right here. So now that I got adjustables, that shit's gonna be perfect for alignment and all that. So I'm gonna move the car and put it on another position. Yo, first side is tires off. I gotta dig in and take the stock control arm out. That shit is basically, bro, that shit is exploded. Oh shit. Here it is, bro. Here it is. Stock ass motherfucking tow arm. Yo, after disconnecting all that shit, first tow arm is out. That shit was exploded, like, literally. Dude, that shit was cooked. But we on the way on installing the new ones, so I already know, bro. Like, Yo, so it's nighttime, but this side is officially on the ground. I'll catch y'all tomorrow, cause tomorrow we're gonna do this side. So yo gang, it's the next day. So as you already know and you saw, this side is ready. Tow arm is on. This side is ready to go. So now we gotta raise the car and start working on the next side. This side is really fucked up because this side is a little toe in. So we're gonna get to it. Let me see if it doesn't rain, because bro, weather been acting bipolar. Yo, so that side, bro, the left side, bro, that shit was, like I said, that shit was exploded. So I guess this side is gonna be worse. So let's see. Yo, so taking out the bumper and shit, I'm gonna raise the car and I'm gonna come back to y'all when the car is raised and ready to start working on the rears.
Hey Zoe, you got
Perfect tire wear. She's still new. Yo, so car is raised. It's getting dark, bro, so I'm gonna take the arm as quick as possible. So I'll be right back. Yo, so everything is disconnected. All I gotta do is now is take the tow arm. For those who don't know, all I gotta do is take the tow arm out. Everything is disconnected, so it's comfortable to work in. So this is a tow arm. All I gotta do is take the alignment bolt out and the two bolts that go here. It's dark, bro. It's getting dark, so I'm not recording too much, but it's literally the same process that we did on the other side. So yeah, all dirty, but tow arm is out. Abre el carro, tú vete. Yo, it's nighttime, but we're finished. Tow arm is on. I'm gonna put the tire and put the car back on the floor. So yo, and just like that, it's nighttime, but the car is done. Rear tow arms are officially on, bro. And alignment is pretty good. I still gotta go and align it, but I know it's very accurate. Shit, pretty good. Now I gotta clean up this mess. Clean up myself, cause I'm all fucked up. I don't even know if I got a black eye, cause I hit myself trying to adjust the bolts. But we lit. We ready. Yo, so like I said, car is ready. Tow arms are in. Bro, I fucking hit myself. I was adjusting the bolts, and you know sometimes the wrench, that shit gets stuck, bro. That shit got stuck, and then it got unstuck, and that I hit my shit in my eye with my fucking finger, bro, when I was trying to adjust. So you see, I got a fucking black eye. I mean, not a black eye, but you can notice the motherfucking hit. No, but nothing, bro. This vlog is gonna end up right here. This is a kind of different vlog. I got moments with the family on the river. You know, I got moments eating with the homies, driving the car. So I'm complementing everything together, making the vlogs more interesting. You know, not everything is about cars. So I'm just taking y'all with me with like my daily basis, like how we live over here on the island. So nothing, bro. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, you a big fucking OG one, bro. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, bro. Subscribe. We're almost at 1,100 subs. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and nothing. See you in the next one. Yo, subscribe, because this black eye, bro, oh my God.